Goedemorgen! We have breakfast served to us. Thank you very much, by the way, for that. We got some toast, egg, and where did bacon go? We are going for a bike ride at the Flatwoods Park. Goedemiddag, which means good afternoon. We are ready for a bike ride. We got our water, our bikes. So Flatwoods has a lot of different trails. It has, as you can probably tell, a concrete trail and actual trails through the woods. Since I am Dutch, I know that biking is really common in the Netherlands. We bike everywhere, not just to work out, but to get from A to B. And I seriously miss biking so much. By the way, I hope you can hear me due to the wind. But, oh, this feels so good to be biking again. Switch ed bikes. Now I got this one. Remember that from one of the vlogs that I haven't posted yet, but you will already know what I'm talking about once I post this. See, we're gonna do this little trail up here. We have no idea where it goes though, but we'll see.
We can always come back.
Exactly, we could always come back to the main route. Okay, let's do this. The thing with this trail is there's like tree pieces, so that's why all the shaking is there. Tree in the way. Let's try again. Are we gonna do Panther or Main 240? My team in front of me. Let's go. Coming. Ooh, bridge. What's that? Is that the map? What are we doing? Ooh. Oh, she is. This is fun.
Fix my bangs.
Without water and boobs.
I took water on my boobs.
Okay.
There's no fixing things. They're all sweaty.
Oh, thanks a lot.
They're all sweaty.
Okay, smile. We have been messing with our bike. My seat is now higher up. And I squished my water in here. These plants are neat. Water station. Something really awesome about this park is that throughout the park it has water stations. So whenever you want some water, you can just fill up your cup like so.
Water or what?
I mean, what I remember, yeah.
Put it in a little cup first and test it.
Ooh, it's nice and cold.
Let's taste it.
Nice and cold water. Cheers.
Should they be bullies like every day or something?
So, tip for today, whenever you find a cold water station, you gotta cool yourself down. Exactly, fill up your water and rinse yourself up. Whew, that's nice.
Or they were fighting.
These grasshoppers.
That one over there, see the third one?
Just
Was on top
fighting.
of one of them.
With that, I don't know if it was a threesome or a fight, so yeah. Good information, whatever you feel like doing.
Are they, you know?
Yeah, they are.
Oh, first time seeing a grasshopper have fun.
Mine too, look. The one with the red's like, holy crap.
Come back here, you little fish.
Oops. Have camera problems, so now I gotta use my phone. Sorry about that, because now I can't zoom in with them. But switch bikes again.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm way up in the air on a fork now.
Yeah, that's who I just switched with. My legs are a little tall for this bike, but hey, it's a bike, you know? You gotta be happy with what you got. One, two, three. Your turn. Your turn.
I can't even walk after that power ride. I got jelly legs, okay, after trying to race here. And I'm like calling, but all of a sudden that little kid's in front of me. I'm like, ah! Look at this man, I'm over his dad. Hold up! Come on, come around the corner like you're mad. We all said the same thing. Oh.
Oh, that'll be fun! I hope that it's some for you. One more time. Oh, zip lines are fun, especially over water. Although this is just across whatever this is called. Mulch or something. Ooh. I'm stuck.